Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove watermark in Photoshop. Let's begin. So what you want to do first is you need to make a copy of your image. So you're going to select Ctrl J and it's going to make a copy. So there it says images 1 copy. Now what you need to do is you need to go to the top and then select. Then you need to choose color range. So from the drop down, you are going to select sampled colors and you have to make sure that invert is unchecked. Then you choose the first eyedropper here. Then you decrease the fuzziness all the way to 34. So in order to make this a lot better, you need to choose a high resolution image. Now what you need to do is you need to go to the top and then select edit. So now what you need to do is you need to go to the top, then select edit. Then you'll select content aware fill. Now once you're done, you are going to highlight these words over here by doing so like this. Then what you notice is that the watermark has been removed. And there you go. If this video helped you out, then please leave a like and consider subscribing. It's free and it helps the channel to make more videos like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.